This video is to show you how to layer adhesive vinyl using registration marks. So I already did the video showing you how to create the registration marks. This is showing you how to actually layer it on one piece of transfer tape. So I did the fireworks image that I showed you in my other videos. And here's the 3 layers. I already put my silver layer down. If you're doing an image where anything will be overlapping, usually you start with your smallest layer first, or whatever layer goes on top. For this one, none of the images are overlapping, so it doesn't really matter what order we go in. So I started with the silver. I already burnished this one to my transfer tape, and I cut my transfer tape a little bit bigger than my entire image. On my design space, I did select all and got the dimensions for my entire image, and then I cut my transfer tape a little bit bigger than that. So I'm actually going to do the blue one next. So what I'm going to do is take my 2 silver dots here in the corners, and I'm going to line them up with my 2 blue dots here. You don't have to do registration marks. I usually don't because I feel like it can be a vinyl waster, but this image was small enough where I really didn't have much vinyl waste, so it wasn't a big of a deal. So I figured I'd show you guys. So now you're just going to burnish well. I really like to burnish from the front, and then I like to flip it over and burnish from the back, especially where those registration marks were. I'm going to burnish those really well from the front and the back. And just lay that transfer tape right over it, line them up. And I like to pull from the back. I like to pull this away. Make sure everything is coming off. This piece right here, my nails are kind of long, so I can usually just rub it back down, or you can grab your scraper. It's up to you. There we go. So now we have our silver layer and our blue layer down. Now I'll grab the red layer. I'm gonna line my circles up again. Doesn't matter which side you start on, you can do them both at the same. You can line up your right, then your left. It doesn't really matter. Again, I don't usually use registration marks, but most people find it easier, especially when they're first starting out. But because I'm really frugal and hate to waste, I usually just wing it and hope for the best. So I'm gonna, again, rub those registration marks pretty hard, and from the back, and then I'm going to pull my paper up. Now, I don't have anything to put this image on because I did that last night, so that is another video I posted you guys can check out. But I don't need the registration mark, so I don't really care that that's not sticking down. But there you go. There is your 3-colored image on it. I put it on this so you can see it a little bit better. You can now either remove the registration marks just like that, or I find that's easier. There you go.